Okay guys, so the morning trade has been done and you know where I would have taken the trade. You can see here market open gap up and from Camarilla R3 it gave a rejection. So we missed the trade and then waited and then here Nifty was very good positive and the OI was also building positive. Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty we can see here Bank Nifty was positive right at the open, so I decided not to go on this because there can be a breakout. Already there was a dip, but again, once it came here and gave the retracement to Camarilla pivot, I went for the trade. So you can see here, I made a profit of 1,22,000. So it has been made with a capital of around 6 lakh. That's what I'm using today. So 1,22,000 profit using 6 lakh. You can see the orders exactly at 9:59. I'm placing the order. 195 is my entry price. And what I'm exiting is around 230, 239, 243 also. It means around 50 points I'm getting in this trade. Okay, so 50 points, 193 is my entry price, 959 is the entry, and you can see 10.4. That means it just took 5 minutes to make the profit of 1,22,000. That is the importance of waiting for your level. Look at the timing here. You can see here in this candle, this is where I'm entering. So once I saw this wick, I have entered this trade. 9:59. This is the candle which I'm entering because it is coming to Camarilla pivot. It is coming to ORB level. The 5-minute high and low also I've marked here. You can see 5-minute low. Once it came here, touched here, I was expecting a reversal as the R3 is also there. One most very important thing that you can remember is we have this Camarilla R3, we have this Camarilla pivot which is coming within the CPR, central pivot, and this is our R1, this is the S1. But today, if you see, Camarilla pivots are coming within the CPR. Yesterday's VWAP also coming there. So definitely we are going to get a big move in this side, rejection. So it is very difficult for them to cross this. Once it is crossed, then next target will be here. So I got a perfect trade. So all what it took is just 5 minutes for me to make this 1,22,000. That's the beauty of our setup. That's a conviction and the confidence that you need to have in your setup. That kind of patience also you need to have. You might have been waiting here to come here. Once you have got at your level, take the trade. No second thought. All you need is to go all in and whatever trade that you can get, you got the best put trade. And how much would be the charges for this? Let's look at the charges also. So if you see the contract note, 220 is the brokerage, total charges just 1,500. These are the trades that I have taken. And what I need to pay 1,500 for the profit that I have made now. So this is the position 1,22,000. Out of this, I will have to give 1,500 as the charges. Now the price is again coming to that level. So what I'll do is I'll add some small quantities, not much. At 205 I have added. So I'm going for a quick scalp of 10 points. 205 I have added. If I get 215, it will be very good for me. So now I need to do some scalping here and there. 1 or 2 trades because market is a very narrow range until and unless now they give a breakout of this 5-minute candle. Still market is in the 5-minute candle range. This is the first 5-minute candle. Market is still in the 5-minute candle range. So till the time I'm not getting a breakout or breakdown of this, breakout chances are very less, very difficult actually. But Nifty may give a breakout considering Reliance giving a move. So if Nifty is giving a breakout, Bank Nifty may also follow up. Otherwise, I won't be trading. Just took a small quantity. Maybe I look for 10 points. If it comes here, I'll average also. So this is my trade. And if this breakout or this breakdown have to happen for me to go aggressively on a trade. Now remember, this is 200 EMA. So here we have S3. By any chance, if this price comes to this level, we are going to get a very good support here. So 200 EMA S3 is very important. And this is our R3. What I told you is not simply R3 today. R3 and the pivot both are coming together within CPR. Look at the CPR, okay? Within the CPR, they are coming. So this is going to be the most important resistance. So remember this, R3 itself is important. R3 and Camarilla pivot central line is also coming together. Along with that, which is coming within this CPR, makes it more dangerous, more important for us and more useful for us. If you have this knowledge, you should have made this 1,22,000 or whatever in this span of 5 minutes. I have also made it in 5 minutes. You could have also done it in 5 minutes. Okay. So that's a trade that I have taken. Let me add some 400 quantities as it is coming close to the R3. 400 more I have added. So what I have to take home is 1 lakh. Okay. If I lose around 17,000-18,000 from this, I'll close the trade. I won't be holding beyond that 1 lakh is my target. And today the moves are not much. And see, the more the time you're spending in the first 5-minute time frame, it's not looking good. Okay, it's very difficult to trade in the first 5 minutes if the candles are in the first 5-minute time frame. It's 1 hour. Even for 1 hour, the market are in the first 5-minute candle. Look at the first 5-minute candle in that range only. So that makes it very difficult for us to trade. So until and unless we get a breakout of this opening range or breakdown of this opening range, here means 5-minute candle. Okay, I'm not going to take any trades. I'll just exit this trade, whatever I have now, and then I look for a fresh trade only upon the breakout or breakdown of ORB. So my entry again is like 205 and 199. Now the price is around 207. So if I get 209, I'll get 10 points for the second entry. So what I can do is I keep some 209. Why I keep 209 is because I'm looking for 10 points. See here, already I got 50 points in this trade. If you see this is a trade taken at 192. Buy is at 192 and you can see here 243 is the exit. I was exiting like this 350 quantity, then 350 quantity, then 350 quantity, then 243. So this is giving me actually the maximum juice out of it. But then again, 900 exited at 233 as it is coming down. From 243, it was coming down. So I thought it is coming down sharp. So exited here and then added again at 205 and 199. Now the price is at 199. So let's see if we get a touch of this and again a small reversal to 20 EMA. I've added some more here at 195. So now I have total 1700 quantities. 195, 196 is where I have added. So I'll keep this around 207. So my targets are there in the system. If they give it, it will be perfect. So okay. So 207 for the quantity that I have entered at 196. So this is an entry at 196. So this is a target for that. 199 entry. So this is a target for that. 205 there's an entry and this is a target for that. So the targets are fixed. Everything is there in the system and the stop loss is the day high break or the day low break. That is when the first target is taken. 207 is taken. Now I have these two left, which is 209 and 215. See, it came to 207, but it didn't give 209. It reversed from there. Anyway, I'll be holding that. So it is coming to 198 now. I'm definitely looking for one more dip as they are consolidating here. Trending OI also looking bullish actually, but I'm relying more on this level. So remember this always, guys, when it comes to this R3 in itself is very strong. But if this R3 comes within CPR, which makes it even more stronger, even more stronger. You can use any camera indicators. For example, what I'm using is this one. I'll just close it and I'll open it again so that you can see. Just type Camarilla. Many have asked this. So Camarilla pivot, okay. Either you can go with this or you can manually also calculate, but that's not required. So what you can do is you can add this, so you will get this. This is giving you R3, R4 and S3, S4. So this is the pivot. And now once you get this, if you have any limitations in, adding indicators, once you get this level, so 45, 640, okay. And this is the level which is 45, 330. So that you can, what you can do is you can go to your Zerodha and take your Bank Nifty on futures. You can mark it, okay. So let's say Bank Nifty futures. I'm adding some more here at 197. I'm taking this futures chart, okay. So what you can do here is this is a futures chart. So what I'll do is I look for this level 45, 640, okay. So just go here and mark there. Where is 45, 640? Here, okay. If you don't have the paid version, you can do this. So I've marked my S3 or R3 here, okay. That's how you can do it. So what is the price now? Did it give our order? No, I kept these orders at 207, 209 and 215. Because I've added 500 more quantities again at 197. So you can see here, I added at, 196, exited at 207. Then added again once it came back at 197. This is the advantage of scalpers. You can keep adding and exiting. But positional players can't do that. They enter at 196. They look for a target of 20, 30 points. But by that time, the scalpers will get 10 points already. I can re-enter. I can get 10 points again. If I get this triggered, I already got 20 points in my pockets. But someone who entered here and holding, they will still get only 10 points. So it's almost at this price. I'm looking for definitely a rejection till 215 in this trade. So because I give a lot of importance to this level and the setup, especially when this kind of setup is coming. First rejection, this was expected. Now we may get a small opportunity. Only issue is that the present day VWAP is there. See guys, this is very important setup. Remember this always. First, if you have the CPR and you have the Camarilla pivot and your Camarilla R3 comes within CPR. Along with that, what is the most important indicator which you see here? Yesterday's VWAP is also here. So this makes it very, very powerful. Okay. So if you get this opportunity again, never miss this. You'll get this kind of mother candle. So the objective is to capture the mother candle like this big candle. So we can get that easy. I got this 207. So if you look at the beauty of this entry that I have taken, I entered at 196, I got 207. I entered again at 197, I got 207. So even if I'm making a loss in this, in these two, okay, I have compensated with these two already. Suppose I'm not getting the target here and I need to exit with the stop loss. I have already compensated with 10 points here and another 10 points here. So that is how I manage my trades. Even now it is at the profit of 1,22,000. Oh, it's coming down sharply. It's a breakout. It is giving a breakout. So let's wait. If I see a wick here, wick here like this, I'll add more quantity. So I've added more quantities at this level. So the stop loss for this trade will be break of this no. Okay. It's giving a breakout, so I need to exit this. Yeah, it is given a breakout, so looking to exit this trade. I'll cancel these orders. See, this is a level. Yesterday there was a rejection. So you see second round of rejection came from there. What if this is a trap breakout, false breakout? So what is my stop loss is this candle high. Okay. If they break the candle, I'll have to exit. So how can I place it in the system? What I need to do is I need to go for the strike price. So let's look at the law of this strike price, and that should be your stop loss. What is the law of the strike price? That should be your stop loss. Okay. So the strike price is taking support at this level. So 160. What I need to do is I need to keep this as my stop loss. I've kept my stop loss in the system. All the quantities, I have 3000 quantities, and all the quantities I have kept my stop loss clearly in the system. How I kept the stop loss? Because this is what the breakout as it looks like. Okay. And the high of this breakout candle. The reason why I'm holding this is because though it is given a breakout, this is where yesterday also there was a good move, up move, and we got a good rejection. So just waiting for the candle high to be broken. Everything was there in the system itself. So nothing now discretionary. I have added at this level, 182 level. Price is almost at that level only. So things are there in the system. So I have nothing much to worry. Profit is back to 1 lakh. It looks like it's a fake breakout, but R3 can act as a support. So what I can do is keeping one sell order at 189 so that I'll get some profits in this trade. Okay. $189 got triggered. It touched R3. It can take a support here. Let's see. From here, normally I can take a call trade, but call trade will be better if this high is broken. If this candle high is broken, then we'll have a very good call opportunity. They have given that 189 price, which is good. As of now, it looks like it's a false breakout to trap the buyers. As of now, it is looking like that. Let's see. The candle is very important. That's why I was waiting for the close of the candle, because I'm very sure about the clear about the stop loss then. Remember, once R3 is crossed, it can act as a support. But provided this candle should have been with the volume. I can't find volume in this, so that's the only reason why I'm holding this. $300 I have exited. So guys, as it is coming down, I am adding some more quantities here. It is looking like a false breakout, so I've added 180 again. Stop loss for the trade is low, which is already there in the system. I can expect a target of even 210 also for this trade. I kept some orders at 189. Stop loss also for some trades at 160. The price action is in such a way that it looks like a false breakout to trap the buyers, because it is not with the volume. We cannot find volume in this up move, okay, and also there is no follow-up. It is coming down. We'll give 189. It looks again. Should have placed that before. Reliance is coming down. I got 189 and exited some more at 187. So this one, what I'll do is, I'll keep 195 and this I'll try to exit manually. So I hope you understood how I try to come out from the trap. Okay. So it's not simply averaging. My levels are very clear. So it was a breakout, but the breakout is not with volume. So I'm holding this, and if they break this high, then I need to exit the trade. So I just looked at the option strike price, and in that chart I need to see whether it is taking support at any important level. Yes, it was taking support. And then what is my stop loss? Low of that option strike price is my stop loss. What is that? Which is 160. So 160 was the low made by the strike price. So that is my stop loss. So that's why I kept that stop loss in the system, because from here again, if they break this high, this can give a very good move till this level. Okay, so now let's see if it is coming to 20 MA. There is a probability that it can come to 20 MA. But the first trade was a perfect trade, the beautiful trade. This one which I have taken, and if you see the orders also, it is very clear. My first trade was coming there. Then I tried to do some scalping. So a couple of them was given me the target, but others it's okay. But we were able to manage. Again, we are still in the profit, which is more than what is given by the opening trade. So as long as it is, more than that, it's okay. Added more at 184. I'm looking for a touch of 20 MA from here. This is my target. Exited some at 194, 195 also they have given. So now let me exit this, whatever I have here. I've exited 600 quantities out of that. Rest of the 300. $200 I've exited at 200 rupee. Now I have 100 left. So the breakout, it was a fake breakout. I was looking for this. Look at this levels. Levels are important. We need to play for the levels. Okay. So now I can exit this and stop the trade. Exited this, so exited everything. So you can see what adjustments I have done when the trade went against me. What I did is, first thing I do is I look for the volume, whether the volume was in my favor or not. Yes, this breakout is not with volume. Okay, so once it is not with the volume, I can hold on this trade at least till the time this high is broken. So this high is not broken. Okay, I didn't get a follow up also. You can see there was a beautiful candle, but there is no follow up. Okay. I will try to make it to 1.5 lakhs and then we'll stop. Let's make it 1.5 lakhs. Taken it at 227. I need 4,000. So let's see if we get 4,000 in this, 5,000 in this trade. Just to make it 1.5 lakhs and then we'll stop. Round figure 1.5 lakhs is what I need for this trade. Given a target of 232. Reason is it is at VWAP. So expecting some small bounce. So if I get that 232, I get 1.5 lakhs and I can close the system for the day. I got this. So now the profit is 1,52,000. That's it. I'm done for the day. Let's look at the charges. Let's look at the charges. Contract note. 4,200 is the charges. Yeah, I did a lot of scalping after the first trade. First trade it was 1,500, but now slightly higher because a lot of scalping has been done. So what about this orders, guys? Guys, this I have difficulty in giving in YouTube description because there is no option to paste the files over there. So what I can do is I'll give this on my Insta. Okay, so the Insta link is given in the description. So there I can give this. So you can see this is the first trade, 195, 195, 195 is the entry, and then this 262, 243, these are the exits, just like what you see here. The same, right? So what you see here, 195, 195, 195, 195, 195, 195, then 226, 237, 239, 240, 243, 243. So same orders you can watch here, and then you can also understand what is the trade that I have taken. Why is this trade at 959? Our reason is very clear. Look at the camera pivot. I have taken the trade there. That's it. That's it. Okay. So thank you so much. I'm done for the day. Nothing more to do. Just took a small call trade. I never wanted to go onto the call side until and unless they give a proper breakout. So this call trade is only because I just need to round it to 1.5 lakhs. And we made it. We made 4,000 in that trade. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.